Hello everyone. Today Daoping will take you to visit the Jing International Research and Study Center. The ceramic research and study base that can accommodate thousands of wheels at the same time is the best in the country, regardless of its reception scale, equipment security, study professionalism, and supporting facilities and services of software and hardware. In September last year, the Daoping International Research and Study Center found us, hoping to comprehensively upgrade and renovate all the ceramic classroom spaces. Let's take a look at what upgrades we have made for the classroom. First of all, we walked in. There is a poster of a Tudor picture on both sides of the passage we designed. Students from other places can know the general distribution of the entire area, where each classroom is, and what functions it is. Then we walked in and there was a circular patio. Our pottery classrooms all circled around this and had 4 floors together. Now let's take a look at our classroom. In the corridor on the first floor, we designed a ceramic culture display from the Tang, Song, Yuan, Ming, Qing, and 5 dynasties, so that students can recognize the brilliant civilization of ancient Chinese ceramics. When we walked here, there was a side door. On the right side, we designed it as a map-shaped ancient rocking finger. On the left side, we designed it as some representatives of rocking mouths in various provinces, as well as some pictures of rocking mouth porcelain. Now, we are here to the tuition classroom. For such tuition classrooms, we have 5 tuition classrooms together. Each tuition classroom has 60 tuition machines, and the tuition machine is equipped with DD's linkage model, which plays a guarantee of safety. What about card insertion? On this shelf, students should prevent our card insertion from wetting. In the Lapi classroom, we also designed a window circling number, such as our hidden lawn, which is a Buddhist instrument, and the roundness of our winter melon surface. When we were heading to the second floor, we also made a guide diagram of the arrow. On the small platform on the second floor, we designed it as a display wall of ceramic raw materials. Visually let students understand some principles of oil. Here is a material classroom, mainly used to test and make oil, and can also do some other comprehensive courses. We equipped this classroom with a fresh air system to protect the health of students to the greatest extent. Here is a clay test piece wall, oil test piece wall, and pigment test piece wall. There are 3 comprehensive classrooms like this, which can accommodate 200 students to teach together at the same time. As for the corridor on the second floor, we designed it as a soft transformation process of the kiln from ancient times to the present, and made it into a circular creation. This place is a small classroom in Saishao. There is a mini wood dish in the classroom. When we are cooking wood dish, we will pile wood dishes in this place and cook a wood dish in the open air. Let's go to the third floor now, which mainly includes clay sculptures and painting classrooms. Now we are in the clay sculpture painting classroom on the third floor. As for classrooms like this, we have 4 rooms here that can accommodate 400 students at the same time, defining a clay sculpture and painting study. In this painting classroom, we also gave some explanations about the creation of ceramic scribes and various scribes. In another classroom, we also have a display of the ceramic bottle tool wall, so that students can see various tools more intuitively and understand their functions. In the corridor on our third floor, we are doing some knowledge topics for various nouns. On our 4th floor, it is actually a theoretical classroom. The 4th floor of Huanchuang is a knowledge topic for the application of ceramics in various fields. If you have any other places to know about the Dazi Ceramics classroom, please leave a message in the comment area.